Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to use custom list view in your project. So our final project will look something like this. So you can see here, this is a custom list view, and in which a rounded image view and two text views appear in each list item. So let's begin our project. Okay, create a new project. I create a new project and go to your activity main.xml file, and here add a list view. I already add a list view. Now here I need to create our list item. So because it is custom list view, so we need to create our list item. So we go to layout and add a card view which is of width match parent and height is 100 dp. Make relative layout within our card view, and now add a rounded image view which is of width 80 dp and our height is also 80 dp and radius is 10 dp. Okay, and gravity, we don't have a gravity here. Actually, let's remove this relative layout, nothing useful using relative layout. Now add a gravity which is center vertical and take margin start is 10 dp. I think it's good. Now first give a source so that you can see our rounded image view look like. So this is our rounded image view, you can see it. Now provide ID to our rounded image view. So this is my ID, and now I need to create a linear layout which is of type match parent, and take margin start which is of 100 dp and its orientation is vertical. Okay, now create our title and description text view. So text view, width is match parent and our height is wrap content. So text is title and take margin from top 20 dp. Yeah. Now increase our text size, 20 sp is more than enough, and set our text view color is black. So text color is @android :color/black, and our text style is bold. Okay, now provide height to it. In my case title. Now simply copy paste this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and remove this margin top 20 dp, sorry, and text is in description, and text size is also reduced to 15 sp, and give color to this is darker gray. Now it's look fine, and our ID is DESC, description. Now everything is fine. Make this 22. Now fine. Now go to your main activity, and here I need to create a custom array adapter. So just create a custom array adapter for our list view, and first I need to pass activity, and second I need to pass list of our this is a class we are going to create. Now first we create this class, then we move further. So and here we need to take three arguments. First is our image, which is typing, and second is our title text view, which is type of string, and third is our val description, which is type of string. Now that's all. Go to your custom adapter, you can see error is gone here. Now I want to this class extended by ArrayAdapter. So you can see here our ArrayAdapter, and this ArrayAdapter is of type our data, and I need to pass three parameters here. First is our activity, which we can receive here. So activity, and second is our list item layout. So r dot layout dot list items, you can see, and third is our list which we can appear. So this list is appear in our custom list view, so that's why I passed this list. Now we need to override get view. You can see here override function get view position, convert view parent view group. So simply add this override function and create a variable of name context, and from our activity we can get our layout inflator, and by using this context variable we can get our row view. So context dot inflate, and first is our layout, which is r dot layout dot list item, and second we can pass null, and third parameter is our attached to root is true. So that's all. We can create our row view, and by using this row view we can actually initialize our list item. So first is our image, which is row view dot find view by id, and this is of type rounded image view. Dot images, I think, yes, it is images. And second is our title text view. By using this row view we can find actually the text view, and this is also a type of text view. Dot id dot title. Yeah. Now simply duplicate this, and third is our description, and our you can see description. Now actually we are going to set the data to our image title and description by using our list data. So you can see here we will get a position. By using this position we can actually take data to our list. So now it's time to initialize our list view variable. So image dot set image resource, and we can get our resource from our list view dot images. Okay. Now second we are going to set our title dot text, and by using our list we can initialize our title dot toString, Instead of title we use DSC description, and we can initialize our description. And now simply return our row view. Now that's all for our custom ArrayAdapter. Now go to your main activity and create. First we create our custom ArrayAdapter. So custom ArrayAdapter, and second we are going to create a list which is of type our data. Yes, this is fine. Now we already add some data to our list, so it is pretty simple. So our list is actually new table list of our data. Remove this list. Now that's fine. And secondly we need to initialize our array custom ArrayAdapter. So we are going to initialize our custom ArrayAdapter and pass our activity, and second we are going to pass our list. So this is our list and this is our context. Now we can set our adapter, custom adapter we can say, to our list view, and we actually notify that our data set is changed. So let's see our project is running or not. Now this is our previous project. You can see here our project will run successfully. Now this rounded image view is pretty small. I am going to make it some so rounded image view 80dp. Actually I need to forward here scale type, so make this center crop and now run our emulator. You can see here our final project will run successfully, and this is the list which we can pass in order to show in our custom list view. So that's all for this video, and if you like my video please subscribe my channel. Thank you.